Very good morning to all the students of class 4th. Dear student, today we will discuss the third chapter of social science, which is the Northern Plains from the book Our Land, Our World. So, dear student, let's discuss the chapter. Dear student, very first you should know what are the learning objectives of the chapter. So, dear student, you will study about the Northern Plains in this chapter. So, dear student, here I am sharing my screen with you, which will help you to understand the chapter. So, let's begin with the chapter third, that is Northern Plains. So, dear student, let's start. Dear student, the Northern Plains extended from Punjab in the northwest to Assam in the east. कहाँ पर है बच्चों नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स का एरिया? इट एक्सटेंडेड फ्रॉम पंजाब in the northwest to the Assam in the east. So, dear student, as you can see in my screen, this is the pictorial part of Northern plains in India's map. So, it is extended from Punjab in the northwest to Assam in the east. So, dear student, this extensive low land lies between high Himalayas in the north. North में कौन सा है? High Himalayas and the highlands of plateau region in the south, and the highland plateau region in the south. Dear student, a number of rivers flow through these plains. बहुत सारी नदियां हैं जो इन plains के थ्रू होके जाती हैं. Many of them rise in Himalayas. Some rise from the plateau region. इनमें से बहुत सारी rivers कैसी हैं जो हिमालय से होके जाती हैं, जैसे गंगा, ब्रह्मपुत्र, जो आपने पिछले चैप्टर में पढ़ा हुआ है, और कुछ ऐसी हैं जो plateau region से generate होती हैं. So, the land of plains is made of the fine soil brought down by the rivers. This fine soil is called alluvial soil. So, dear student, this is very important question. What is alluvial soil? So, the land of plains is made of fine soils. Which land? Plateau regions or Himalaya regions, brought down by the rivers. This fine soil is called alluvial soil. So, it is soft, light and very fertile. So, these are the properties of alluvial soil. It is soft, light and very fertile. Therefore, these plains are called food of India. Sorry, food bowl of India. What kind of which plains known as food bowl of India? The Northern Plains is called as the food bowl of India. This is very important question, as I have already highlighted it. So, the Himalayan region rivers always carry a lot of water. They are used for irrigation round the year. जो हिमालयन रिवर से जो नदियां निकलती हैं वो पूरे साल उनमें बहुत ज्यादा पानी रहता है. तो बच्चों हम उसका यूज कहाँ पर करते हैं? इरिगेशन के लिए, सिंचाई के लिए उनका यूज होता है पूरे साल भर. The three important Himalayan rivers are the Satluj, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. So, dear student, again this is very important question. What are the important rivers of Himalayans? So, The three important Himalayan rivers are Satluj, Ganga and Brahmaputra. They divide the northern plains into three parts called basins. तो ये क्या करती है? नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स को तीन पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करती है, जिसे हम क्या कहते हैं? बेसिन्स कहते हैं. Dear student, this is again very important question. What is basin? So the part which Satluj, Ganga and Brahmaputra divide the northern plains into three parts, that's called basins. A basin is the total area drained by a river and its tributaries. तो कौन सा एरिया है वो जिसमें जिस एरिया में सारी क्या है? ड्रेन रिवर्स है और उसकी ट्रिब्यूटरीज है, उनकी सहायक नदियां हैं जो उनमें बीच बीच में मिलती हैं, वो सारी ट्रिब्यूटरीज हैं. So dear student, as I am removing it, this is very important for this chapter, and this is the pictorial part of northern plains. As you can see, this is the great Himalayan parts, and Satluj, Ganga, many rivers are flowing in the map. So dear student, let's discuss the first one, the Satluj basin. So what is the Satluj basin? Let's discuss it. Dear student, the Satluj flows towards the southwest through Punjab. कहाँ से होकर निकलती है सतलज नदी? साउथ वेस्ट रीजन से, पंजाब से होकर ये नदी निकलती है. इट जॉइंस द इंडस, जो कहाँ पर है इंडस नदी? पाकिस्तान में है. विच फाइनली फ्लोज इनटू द अरेबियन सी. तो सतलज रिवर में कौन सी नदी जाके मिलती है? जो पंजाब से होकर जाती है, इंडस रिवर. जो इंडस रिवर कहाँ पर है? पाकिस्तान में. और जो फाइनली कहाँ पर जाके मिलती है? अरेबियन सी में जाके मिलती हैं. सो द सतलज बेसिन डज नॉट रिसीव इनफ रेनफॉल. The monsoon winds coming from the Bay of Bengal break into heavy rains as they touch the first hills in Assam and West Bengal. So, I'm so sorry. Then these winds turn West Punjab through Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. So, the amount of rain decreases as the wind moves westward. So, the land is irrigated by tube wells and canals from the Bhakra Dam made on Satluj. So, dear student, again this is very important question. The Bhakra Dam is made on which river? So, the answer is the Bhakra Dam made on Satluj river. Punjab and Haryana are two important states of the Satluj basin. कौन कौन से दो important state हैं Satluj basin के? पंजाब and हरियाणा. Amritsar, Ludhiana, Patiala and Jalandhar are the chief cities of this basin. दो important state है जो है पंजाब और हरियाणा. लेकिन जो चीफ सिटीज हैं वो कौन सी हैं? पंजाब की अमृतसर, लुधियाना, पटियाला एंड जलंधर. These are the chief cities of the basin. So, dear student, in the Satluj basin, this is very important. It flows towards the southwest through Punjab. It also joins the Indus River, which is located in the Pakistan, which finally flows into the Arabian Sea. And again, very important part is Bhakra Nangal Dam made on Satluj River. And Punjab and Haryana are the two important states of the Satluj basin. And Amritsar, Ludhiana, Patiala and Jalandhar are the chief cities of this basin. So, dear student, this is all about the Satluj basin. The next one is the Ganga basin. Let's discuss the Ganga basin. So, dear student, the Ganga basin. The Ganga rises from a huge glacier called Gangotri in the Himalayas. So, dear student, again this is very important question. The Ganga rises from a huge glacier called Gangotri in the Himalayas. So, it flows southwards through the mountains with great speed. It joins by small rivers, that is Bhagirathi, Alaknanda, Mandakini by the other streams. At Haridwar, it comes to the plains. Here it becomes slow and fairly wider. Then it moves eastward. Ganga and her tributaries have made the plains very fertile. तो गंगा और उसकी ट्रिब्यूटरी रिवर्स कौन कौन सी है? भागीरथी, अलकनंदा, मंदाकिनी और कुछ और भी, जो क्या है हरिद्वार में जाकर मैं ये प्लेन्स में आके प्लेन में आ जाती है एंड it becomes slow and fairly wider. So, dear student, Ganga and her tributary had made the plains very fertile. जो plains है उसे क्या करती है? Plains को बहुत ज़्यादा fertile करती हैं, उपजाऊ करती हैं. Tributary of Gangas are, what are the tributaries of Ganga? This is very important question. Himalayan rivers. The tributary of Gangas are Yamuna, Gomti, Ghagra, which is also called Saryu, Gandak and Kosi. These are the Himalayan rivers which is also the tributary of Ganga. So, let's discuss. So, बच्चों प्लेट्यू रिवर्स के लिए कौन सी रिवर है जो गंगा की ट्रिब्यूटरीज है? दैट इज चंबल, बेतवा, केन एंड सोन. Among the plateau rivers, Son joins the Ganga directly near the Patna. तो जो सोन रिवर है वो प्लेट्यू रिवर्स के अंडर आता है, जो गंगा को डायरेक्टली कहाँ पर कनेक्ट करती है? पटना में कनेक्ट करती है. Other joins the Yamuna, which joins the Ganga near Allahabad, which is also called now as a Prayagraj. So, जो बाकी की नदियां हैं, other joins the Yamuna, which joins the Ganga near Allahabad. Allahabad is also called as now Prayagraj. So, the Ganga flows through Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and वेस्ट बंगाल. किन किन स्टेट से होकर जाती है गंगा? गंगा उत्तराखंड, उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार एंड वेस्ट बंगाल, इन सारे स्टेट से होकर गंगा जाती है. इन वेस्ट बंगाल इट ब्रांचेस इनटू टू स्ट्रीम्स, द हुगली एंड द पद्मा. वेस्ट बंगाल में जाके ये दो पार्ट में डिवाइड हो जाती है, दो भागों में बढ़ जाती है. नंबर 1 हुगली एंड नंबर 2 पद्मा. The Hooghly flows through the West Bengal. जो हुगली रिवर है वो कहाँ फ्लो करती है? This is very important question. Through West Bengal. Kolkata is situated on the bank of Hooghly. कोलकाता कहाँ पर situated है? On the bank of Hooghly. This is again very important question. Where is, in which river's bank Kolkata is situated? So the answer is Kolkata is situated on the banks of the Hooghly. The Padma flows into Bangladesh where it joins by the Brahmaputra. तो पद्मा रिवर कहाँ जाती है? बांग्लादेश की तरफ फ्लो करती है, जहां ये ब्रह्मपुत्र नदी के साथ मिल जाती है. After entering West Bengal, the Ganga start flowing very slowly. वेस्ट बंगाल में एंटर होने के बाद गंगा की जो स्पीड है वो बहुत धीमी हो जाती है. So the sediment becomes too heavy for the river to carry. It settles and small islands are formed. The area where the river forms such islands and divides itself into many streams is called delta, which is very important. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra together make the largest delta in the world, which is called Sundarban Delta. Dear student, this is very important question. कौन सी दो नदियां मिलकर सुंदरबन डेल्टा बनाती हैं? So the answer is the Ganga and the Brahmaputra together make the largest delta in the world, which is called Sundarban Delta. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra together make the largest delta in the world, which is Sundarban Delta. So कौन सी नदियां हैं वो? गंगा और ब्रह्मपुत्र. Many important and holy cities are located on the bank of Ganga and its tributaries. Some of them are Rishikesh, Haridwar, Delhi, Mathura, Agra, Kanpur, Allahabad, Lucknow, Varanasi, Patna and Kolkata. जो कहाँ पर है? गंगा है, गंगा नदी है, वो इन सारे शहरों से होकर जाती है और उसकी ट्रिब्यूटरीज जो रिवर्स हैं वो भी इन सारी जगहों से होके जाती हैं. वो जगह कौन सी है? ऋषिकेश, हरिद्वार, दिल्ली, मथुरा, आगरा, कानपुर, इलाहाबाद, लखनऊ, वाराणसी, पटना एंड कोलकाता. The Ganga basin gets heavier rains than the Satluj basin, but it is not the same everywhere. So canals and tube wells are also used for irrigation. So जो गंगा नदी है, गंगा बेसिन है, gets heavier rain than सतलज. सतलज बेसिन से बहुत ज्यादा पानी, बारिश जो होती है कहाँ पर होती है? गंगा बेसिन में बहुत ज्यादा पानी होता है. बट इट इज नॉट द सेम एवरीवेयर, लेकिन वो हर जगह सेम नहीं होता. इसलिए जो इरिगेशन होता है, जो सिंचाई होती है, वो कैनल्स और ट्यूबवेल्स के थ्रू होती है. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द गंगा बेसिन. लेट्स डिस्कस द ब्रह्मपुत्र बेसिन. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद ब्रह्मपुत्र basin. This basin is surrounded on three sides by hills and mountains. The Brahmaputra flows southwest south towards the sea. Hundreds of streams from all sides join it. It is very wide river. So this basin gets very heavy rainfall. The yearly rainfall is Mosheram, which is also called Cherrapunji. A place in this basin is the highest in the world. So, सबसे ज्यादा बारिश किस में होती है? चेरापूंजी में होती है, जो ब्रह्मपुत्र बेसिन में है. The Brahmaputra cause very heavy floods during the rains. इस वजह से, क्योंकि चेरापूंजी में बहुत ज्यादा बारिश होती है, ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर से बहुत ज्यादा हैवी फ्लड्स भी बारिश के दिनों में आते हैं. So this is all about the Brahmaputra basin. Dear student, let's discuss the second learning objective, which is life in the northern plains. So let's discuss it. As you can see in my screen, the vast plains of northern India are entirely flat. They are made of soil brought down by the rivers. The rivers Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra and their tributaries, which we have already discussed, flow across this region. These plains extend through the state of Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam and Tripura. The union territories of Delhi and Chandigarh are also in this plains. As we have already discussed it, Northern Plains is one of the largest plain in the world. Dear student, as I am highlighting it, this is very important question. Which plains is one of the largest plains in the world? So the answer is Northern Plains is one of the largest plains in the world. Its soil is very fertile and there is sufficient water. तो यहाँ की क्या है, मिट्टी बहुत ज्यादा उपजाऊ है और इसमें क्या है, sufficient water है for the irrigation purpose. Therefore, a large number of people in northern plains are फार्मर्स. तो इसलिए क्या है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर बहुत ज्यादा फर्टाइल लैंड है, बहुत ज्यादा सफिशिएंट वाटर है, इसलिए नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स के बहुत सारे लोग फार्मर्स होते हैं. उनका जो ऑक्यूपेशन होता है वो फार्मिंग होता है. दे ग्रो व्हीट, राइस, मेज, सुगर केन, ऑयल सीड्स, वेजिटेबल्स एंड फ्रूट्स. देयर आर many cities and many industries. Thus, billions of people live in the vast northern plains. The population is very dense here. Various parts of the plains differ because of the quantity of rain, level of underground water, ratio of sand and clay in the soil, and distance from the river and Himalayas. Because of this, traditions, way of life change from place to place. So, dear student, let's discuss some state of northern plains. So, I am removing it. Let's discuss the Punjab because it comes in northern plains. This is the Punjab region. Punjab. Men in Punjab wear long kurta and tahmat. They put on turban on their head. Women wear salwar kameez and dupatta. Dear student, as I have already highlighted it, men in Punjab wear long kurta and tahmat. They put on turbans on their head and women wear salwar kameez and dupatta. Wheat, chapati, urad dal, milk curd and lassi are the common in Punjab diet. So this is very important. पंजाबी लोग अपनी डाइट में क्या क्या चीजें इंक्लूड करते हैं. सो द आंसर इज wheat, chapati, urad dal, milk, curd and lassi are common in the Punjab diet. In winter, maize chapatis with सरसों का साग is their favorite. विंटर सीजन में, ठंड के दिनों में वो कौन सा खाना पसंद करते हैं? मक्के की चपाती एंड सरसों का साग. The people of Punjab speaks Punjabi, Guru Parva and Baisakhi. And Lohri and Holi are important festivals. So, Punjab की local language क्या है? What is the local language of Punjab? This is again very important question. Punjabi is the local language of Punjab. And what are the important festivals of Punjab? That is Guru Parva, Baisakhi, Lohri and Holi are the important festivals of Punjab. Punjabis are fond of dance and music. Bhangra is the most popular dance of Punjab. This is again very important question. What is the most popular dance of Punjab? So the answer is Bhangra is the most popular dance of Punjab. As you can see in my picture, this is the Bhangra dance. Gidda is the dance performed by Punjabi girls. So again, this is very important, which you should know. Gidda is the dance performed by the Punjabi's girl. Let's move ahead. The farmers of Punjab are very hardworking. They produce large quantities of wheat and rice. तो जो फार्मर्स होते हैं पंजाब के वो बहुत ही ज्यादा हार्ड वर्किंग होते हैं, जो व्हीट और राइस बहुत बड़ी क्वांटिटी में प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. दे यूज मॉडर्न फार्मिंग मेथड्स, ट्रैक्टर्स, इम्प्रोवाइज्ड सीड्स एंड फर्टिलाइजर्स. There are many industries in Punjab. It is famous for hosiery goods, woolens, sports goods, paper and railway coaches. Why Punjab is very famous? It is famous for hosiery goods, woolen, sports goods, paper and for the railway coaches. So, dear student, this is all about the Punjab. Let's discuss the Haryana. So let's discuss the Haryana. Dear student, as you all know, Chandigarh is the capital of both Punjab and Haryana. What is the capital of Haryana? Chandigarh is the capital of Haryana, and the Chandigarh is also the capital of Punjab. Dear student, it is a well-planned modern city. Men in Haryana wear dhoti and kurta or kameez. They put on a turban on their head. Women wear घाघरा, long shirt and ओढ़नी. क्या क्या पहनती है वहां की औरतें? घाघरा और ओढ़नी is the famous dress of women of Haryana. Wheat, rice and urad dal, curd milk and lassi are common in their diet. तो हरियाणा के लोग क्या कौन सी डाइट यूज करते हैं? Wheat, rice, urad dal, curd milk and lassi. They like maize chapatis and also सरसों का साग in the winters. Hindi is the main language of Haryana. So, yes student, this is again very important question. Which is the main language of Haryana? So, the answer is Hindi is the main language of Haryana. In Haryana, people celebrate all festivals but teach with a great joy. हरियाणा के लोग सारे फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, लेकिन तीज फेस्टिवल वहां का एक बहुत ही फेमस फेस्टिवल है. Women are seen swinging in homes and outside on the तीज. तो वहां की औरतें तीज में क्या करती हैं? स्विंग्स में झूलती हैं, झूलों में झूलती हैं. किस दिन? तीज के दिन. हरियाणा इज फेमस फॉर इट्स डेयरिंग एंड व्हीट क्रॉप. दुग्ध उत्पादन के लिए एंड व्हीट क्रॉप्स के लिए हरियाणा बहुत ही फेमस है. The farmer use modern method of farming. Tractor, water pumps and tube wells are very common in the Haryana. Haryana has many industries. It is famous for bedsheet, cycles, tractor, fertilizers and Maruti cars. किस लिए हरियाणा बहुत ज्यादा फेमस है? Again, this is very important question. For the production of bedsheet, cycles, tractor, fertilizers and Maruti car. So this is all about the Haryana. So let's discuss Delhi. So this is again very important because it is the capital of India. Which is the capital of India? Delhi is the capital of India. All main offices of the central government of India are situated here. Dear student, as we have already discussed, जो भी capital cities होती है वहां पर उनके सारे हेड ऑफिसेस रहते हैं। सो जैसे दिल्ली इंडिया की कैपिटल है तो वहां पे सारे सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के ऑफिस रहते हैं। द कुतुब मीनार, रेड फोर्ट, जंतर मंतर आर हिस्टोरिकल बिल्डिंग इन दिल्ली। तो दिल्ली में कौन कौन सी हिस्टोरिकल बिल्डिंग्स हैं? द कुतुब मीनार, रेड फोर्ट, जंतर मंतर, ये सारे हिस्टोरिकल प्लेस, हिस्टोरिकल बिल्डिंग्स कहाँ पर है? दिल्ली में है। टूरिस्ट फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड विजिट दिल्ली। बहुत सारे टूरिस्ट दिल्ली में पूरे वर्ल्ड से घूमने आते हैं। अवर नेशनल फेस्टिवल्स द रिपब्लिक डे एंड द इंडिपेंडेंस डे आर सेलिब्रेटेड इन दिल्ली। जो हमारे नेशनल फेस्टिवल्स हैं, 26 रिपब्लिक डे गणतंत्र दिवस एंड इंडिपेंडेंस डे स्वतंत्रता दिवस कहाँ सेलिब्रेट किए जाते हैं? दिल्ली में सेलिब्रेट किए जाते हैं विद ग्रेट pomp and show. There are a large number of industries and business houses in Delhi. People from all parts of India have settled or work in Delhi. They speak many languages and celebrate their own festival. क्योंकि दिल्ली में हर जगह के लोग आके रहते हैं तो वो अपने अपने फेस्टिवल्स अपने अकॉर्डिंग सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। They differ in food habit and wear different dresses. Most people speak Hindi in Delhi. So this is all about Delhi. Let's discuss the next one, which is Uttar Pradesh. So as I am highlighting it, Uttar Pradesh occupies a large part of the northern plains. नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स का सबसे ज्यादा पार्ट, सबसे बड़ा पार्ट कहाँ पर है? उत्तर प्रदेश में है। लखनऊ इज द कैपिटल ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश। दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट विच यू शुड नो। व्हाट इज द कैपिटल ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश? सो लखनऊ इज द कैपिटल ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश। Kanpur and Noida are the main industrial cities. So again, this is very important question. What are the main industrial cities in Uttar Pradesh? So Kanpur and Noida are the main industrial cities of Uttar Pradesh. Garmukteshwar, Mathura, Ayodhya, Allahabad, which is also called Prayagraj, and Varanasi are pilgrims center. तो गढ़मुक्तेश्वर, मथुरा, अयोध्या, इलाहाबाद एंड वाराणसी क्या है? एक स्पिरिचुअल सेंटर्स हैं। संगम एट इलाहाबाद इज मोस्ट क्राउडेड। तो जो संगम होता है गंगा, यमुना और सरस्वती का, वो कहाँ होता है? इलाहाबाद होता है, जो बहुत ही ज्यादा क्राउडेड रहता है। लोग बहुत दूर दूर से इसे देखने के लिए आते हैं। द ब्यूटीफुल ताजमहल ऑफ आगरा इज मेड ऑफ व्हाइट मार्बल्स। सो ये भी उत्तर प्रदेश में है। ताजमहल ऑफ आगरा, आगरा कहाँ है? उत्तर प्रदेश में है, जो पूरा व्हाइट मार्बल्स का बना हुआ है। मेरठ इज फेमस फॉर starting the revolt of 1857, which is also located in the Uttar Pradesh. मेरठ क्यों फेमस है? यहाँ से 1857 का रिवॉल्ट शुरू हुआ था, which is also located in Uttar Pradesh. Let's discuss most people of Uttar Pradesh speak in Hindi. Wheat is the main food in the western part, while rice in the eastern part of Uttar Pradesh. People celebrate many fairs and festivals, that is Ras Leela and Ram Leela are most popular dance dramas performed on the evening of Shri Krishna Janmashtami and Dashera respectively. कौन कौन सी फेस्टिवल्स और फेयर सेलिब्रेट होते हैं? श्री कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी एंड दशहरा के दिन श्री कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी के दिन रासलीला एंड दशहरा में रामलीला उत्तर प्रदेश में सेलिब्रेट होते हैं. होली, दिवाली, ईद एंड क्रिसमस आर अदर मेन फेस्टिवल्स. सारे होली, दिवाली, ईद एंड क्रिसमस यहाँ सेलिब्रेट होते हैं. Kathak dance is the famous dance of Uttar Pradesh, as I have highlighted it, which is the famous dance of Uttar Pradesh. So the answer is Kathak is the famous dance of Uttar Pradesh. So I am removing it. Wheat, sugarcane, rice, maize, pulses, mustard, vegetable and fruits are grown all over the उत्तर प्रदेश. उत्तर प्रदेश में क्या क्या होता है? Wheat, sugarcane, rice, maize, pulses, mustard, vegetables and other fruits are grown all over the Uttar Pradesh. Allahabad is famous for its guavas and Lucknow for its दशहरी मैंगो. इलाहाबाद किस लिए फेमस है? वहां के ग्वालों के लिए फेमस है. एंड लखनऊ किस लिए प्रसिद्ध है? लखनऊ इज famous for दशहरी mangoes. The western part of the state is more fertile. Wheat and sugarcane are grown on a large scale. It is also famous for its melons. The student, there are a very large number of industries in Uttar Pradesh. As you can see in my screen, they produce sugar, cotton textile, glass, medicines, fertilizers, railway engines and aeroplanes here. The state is also famous for its handicraft, that is glassware, bangles, poetries, metalwares, wood carving, carpets and silk and saris, which is famous in Varanasi. So this is all about Uttar Pradesh. Let's discuss Bihar and Jharkhand. Northern part of Bihar is a fertile plain. Patna is the capital of Bihar. Which is the capital of Bihar? Patna is the capital of Bihar. People speak Hindi, Maithili, Bhojpuri and Urdu. So this is again very important question. What is the local language of Patna? So Hindi, Maithili, Bhojpuri and Urdu are the local language of Bihar and Jharkhand. Dashera, Diwali and Eid are the main festivals of these states. Rice is the main food in Bihar. Bodh Gaya, where Siddhartha Gautam attained Buddhavata, is a holy place of Buddhists. Pawapuri, Rajgiri and Samit Sikhar are holy places of Jains, which is also situated in Bihar and Jharkhand. Harmandir Sahib, the birthplace of Guru Gobind Singh, is in Patna. Bihar Sharif is a holy place of Muslims. Rice is grown in summers and rainy seasons. In winters, some wheat is also grown. Bihar suffers from floods very often. They cause great very great havoc. There are many industries of iron and steels, fertilizers, paper, sugar, silk, jute and railway engines. Some peoples are craftsmen, as I am removing it. This is the pictorial part of rice cultivation. Jharkhand is very rich in minerals deposits such as coal, iron, copper, and aluminium. One of the large steel plants is located at Bokaro in Jharkhand. कौन सा लार्जेस्ट स्टील प्लांट किस जगह पे है? बोकारो में है, which is in Jharkhand. The capital of this state is Ranchi. कौन सी कैपिटल झारखंड की क्या है? रांची. रांची is the capital of Jharkhand. The next one is West Bengal. So, Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. This, which is very important, which you should know. What is the capital of West Bengal? So, Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. It is a seaport. Men wear dhoti and kurta. Women wear sari. The people of West Bengal eat rice and fish. They like sweets, rasgulla, sandesh made of cheese. They speak Bengali language. The Bengalis are fond of art, music, and dance, drama, and literature. Durga Puja is the most popular festival of West Bengal. The girls decorate their house with rangoli. तो दुर्गा पूजा में वहाँ की औरतें किससे अपने घर को सजाती हैं? रंगोली से अपने घर को सजाती हैं. West Bengal has the Hooghly and Damodar rivers flowing through it. West Bengal से कौन-कौन सी नदियां होके जाती हैं? Hooghly and Damodar. It is wet and warm all through the year. So these areas are very good for growing rice and jute. Many people work in industry like jute, iron, and steel. So this is all about West Bengal. Let's discuss Assam and Tripura. This is the pictorial part of Bihu dance, which is very famous in Assam. Dispur near Guwahati is the capital of Assam. So, what is the capital of Assam? This is very important question which you should know. So, Dispur is the capital of Assam. Guwahati is the biggest city of Assam. The people of Assam speak Assamese in their local language. So, again, this is very important question. What is the local language of Assam? So, the local language of Assam is Assamese. Bihu is the main festival of Assam. This is again very important question. What is the main festival of Assam? So, the answer is Bihu is the main festival of Assam. It is a New Year festival. People of Assam work in farms, tea gardens, mines, refineries, and industries. Rice, jute, and tea are major crops. Assam is famous for its tea. असम किस चीज के लिए फेमस है? यहाँ पर बहुत सारे चाय के बागान हैं, तो अपनी चाय के लिए बहुत फेमस है. Assam is rich in mineral oil, handloom, and silk are cottage industry here. Agartala is the capital of Tripura. Dear student, this is again very important question. What is the capital of Tripura? So the answer is Agartala is the capital of Tripura. Most people speak Bengali here. So what is the local language of Tripura? Bengali is the local language of Tripura. Rice and jute are the major crops. Pineapple, jackfruits, and bananas are grown in plenty. People make beautiful things from bamboos. Most of the people are tribals. Gauriya dance is popular during the Gauriya Puja. So dear student, this is all about असम एंड त्रिपुरा। गौरी पूजा के समय कौन सा डांस करते हैं? गौरिया डांस त्रिपुरा का बहुत ही ज्यादा फेमस डांस है। असम का डांस कौन सा है? असम बिहू, सॉरी, असम का फेस्टिवल है बिहू, जिसमें वो क्या करते हैं? बिहू सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, जो इट इज अ न्यू ईयर फेस्टिवल हियर। सो डियर स्टूडेंट, as you all know, we have discussed about northern plains. So dear student, we will study our next chapter, which is chapter 4 in our next class. So this is all about the northern plains. Thank you.